Hello, this is Gemma and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to propagate a jelly bean plant. I recommend this plant for beginner succulent growers because it is very easy to take care and you can basically ignore it and it will still grow well. Let me show you this area. These plants are growing on the ground like a grass. This is the result of leaf propagation. Like about 6 months ago, I throw some leaves on the ground and look how they grow now. And this area gets full sun and it doesn't get much water. So I basically ignore this area, but the plant is still growing well. So I'm going to show you how to propagate this jelly bean plant by cuttings. So I'm just cutting like about from 2 to 4 inches long, and we're going to plant it in a container so that we will have more plants. As you can see, while cutting the plant, there are some leaves that falling on the ground. So I'm just gonna leave it there, and eventually it will sprout and it will have another plants. So this jelly bean plant is really easy to grow. This plant have jelly bean shaped leaves in green color, but it turns reddish color when it placed in full sun. So the more sun it gets, the brighter color it becomes. And it because it needs full sun, it just makes sense that this plant should be an outdoor plant. Let me just get some more. So I think we have enough cuttings. So let's start and let's plant them. Now here are our cuttings. It is like about from 2 to 4 inches long, and we're going to plant it in this pot, and the pot has a drainage hole. And the soil that we're going to use is dry. And remember, in any succulents or cutting of any succulents, if you're going to plant it, always use dry and well draining soil. So now I'm using chopstick to make a hole so that I can just stick the plants in the hole. Now let's start planting our cuttings. Before I plant them, I remove some leaves so that I have like about an inch stem, and I gently place the stem into the hole. And eventually these stems will generate some roots, like about probably in 4 to 5 weeks. It will start generating roots. At the end of this video, I will show you how to propagate those leaves that we removed. But always remember that when planting any succulent cuttings, always plant it in dry and well-draining soil. And do not water it, and place it in shaded area but bright light for 5 days. So these are the leaves that we removed from our cuttings when we planted our jelly bean. You can see that the roots are showing. This is only after 5 days. So we're gonna use this as to propagate. I just put it on the top of the soil, dry soil, and eventually you will see a sprout that comes out at the end of that leaves. I will make another video, so make sure to subscribe so that you can see how those roots will sprout. Now I'm watering the plants. This is after 5 days. So I'm really watering it well. And the other plant that you see is the succulent arrangement that I made. I have another video for that arrangement in a container. So make sure to view that video too. So this is the jelly bean that we planted from cuttings a week ago. So let's see if there are roots already. See, the roots are already healthy. So that means that after watering it, we can just place the plant on full sun. And then as we grow this plant, these green leaves, it will turn reddish color if you put it in full sun. This plant is also rooted. This is the succulent arrangement that we made like about 7 days ago. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe my channel so that you can watch this plant grow. Have a good day and God bless.